Command Wahundo. Unified Command is the Merta Queen of Dumten Unified Command, he can was Minister Vidian, the Picket of Niga and the Joey. Must say that Karahan, like whatever you can, the Unified Command, the Home Department now could live in the people in Lermero. The PD, Hidikaran people, Home Department, this is Mr. Mama Sano could live in the Pitopaneva. Saying the problem to I want to order copy like for dental advisor, copy some of the copy. Ma Ahan, but they advisor or we copy to ever go. My under circulate the advisor or winning the Vina. Secretary advisor to ever. Adim Matunda Magna was a cool dipsina that is unified command, get German or in to ever. Home Department to ever. Adomana Miamda, I get German till Octopi, and Haina Sandovera, Cadorno Hong de Mio, Karana, Madu, some Minister, Unified Command gave one the Gisherme of using a civil clip from them to Hydri. High super high but in a day. I do a close on the Hibernacity. Oh, Bakada close on Yoiko. Mother de Karumba, the minister, so high unified command meeting the Kowai, Seattle, we I have a close on the Yowie. I do a unified command gets Yarman to the Nasakul Dipsing. This is long target canal. I do give Puna Pamina Dardi Canano, we get again for them to later. I do not have a minister Shumogog, Nasaki Kuldipsina, Bangkok the Koki, we have a give them to lay. I do the Miam, the Nimana, I law and order, Namdisi, Kotisi, Natisi, Unified Command gets